Okay, so we have this table to complete. So for us to complete this table, we need to first understand this one first. So this one is operation and inverse operation. For the operation addition, the inverse of that operation is subtraction. And for the operation subtraction, the inverse of that is addition. So on and so on. Let us see the example. So let's say y is x. Then firstly, from the example, what do you see here? They say double it, meaning you double x. How do you double? When you say you double a number, meaning you multiply it by 2. This is why you have y equals to 2x. Then the inverse, you check the operation. In this case, double multiplying by 2, that is doubling, multiplication. So from here you get multiplication. The inverse operation is division. This is why you divide x by 2. This is how they doubled it by 2. Then also divide by 2 because you're halving. When you say half something, you're halving it to 2 equal parts. That is why you divide it by 2. Interchange x and y. You interchange from the function, not from the inverse, from the actual function. So where there's x, you put y. Where there's y, you put x. Then is this a function? Let us wait for this part for now. We'll deal with it later on. Then for the question, square. Let's say with y equals to x squared. Where there's y, you put x. Oh, y equals to x squared. Sorry, the inverse function of that. Squared, x squared. The inverse of a square is what? A square root. So you take out the square root. Y equals to, remember the square root comes with true signs. It's either plus or the minus of that square root. The interchange x and y. You interchange from here x where there's y, and then y where there's x squared. You can also resolve for y here, but you will come back to the inverse, so just leave it like this, fine. Then here you add x by 2. The inverse of addition, the inverse is subtraction. So it's y x minus the subtraction inverse of the addition. Interchange x and y, interchange on the function x and then y plus 2. Where there's x, you put x. Where there's y, you put x. Where there's x, you put y. Where there's y, you put x. Then you get that. And then still again, if you try to resolve for y, you still come back here. So it's fine like that. Then number C, subtract 4. Subtract the operation, subtract the inverse of that is addition. So it's y equals to x plus 4. Then interchange x and y, interchange here, y equals to, oh sorry, interchanging x equals to y minus 4. Then division, y equals to over 5. You're dividing by 5. Then the inverse operation of division, where is it? Division. Inverse is multiplication. So this y equals to 5x. And then interchange x and y. When you interchange x and y, you get y, not y equals to, actually. Where there's y, you put x, and where there's x, you put y. And over 5, remember, from the function. From the function. Okay. Oh, no. What did I do here? Yeah, from the function. Then now he says multiplying by 6. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. So this is y equals to x over 6. And then from here, then you interchange x and y. Interchange where there's y, you put x. Where there's y, you put 6. Okay, let us count this point. Is this a function or not a function? The example, it says y equals to 2x. Is this a function or not a function? It is a function. Why? Because for every point of x, there's at least one point of y. So there's no point of x where there's no point of y here. For every point of x, there is at least one point of y. This is why it is a function. Then number 2, is this a function? No. Why? Not all the points of x is the point of y. For example, if you put negative x, you would get the square root. So this is not a function. Not all of them, all of the values of x are having a value of y. So this is not a function. Number B, is this a function? Yes. All values of x at least have one value of y. Then number C, subtract y equals to x minus 4. Yes, all values of x here will have a value of y. Any number you put for x here will give you an outcome. Then y equals to x over 5. It's also a function. Any number you can put for x here, it will give you an output of y. So it is a function. And then multiply by yes, I just wrote yes because you multiply in every number. Every number you can multiply here by 6, it will give an output. This is a function. As long as you can put a number and you get the output, input as x and then output as y, or y as an output and x as an input. So if there is anything you can input for x and then you get the output for y, that is a function.